7. I'm ready to go. Ian, you good?
Can you do a little drop before you say?
Yeah.
Okay. He's gonna before the music starts. He's gonna say a little intro.
Sound good. Okay, I'm gonna run about 20 seconds before the song drops. Okay.
Okay.
All
Tell me
right.
when you're ready.
Okay, we are rolling now.
Greetings! I am Willie Williams, and you're listening to the original sound called Noble Works. The original sound that run dancehall for years and years without fears. Big up Aina Farai and Doug Skillmore. If you want to hear more, right now the original style called Blessed Love. I want why and then me why do some hear that sound, want test the noble works, when them don't have no DUBPLATE for run this your session. They know this sound ya is the #1 champion. In Bandang any border sound in any area. Why? Me say that it a go dread. Why? Said it a go dread. And why do some sound boy want come run against this your sound? When I him a run session in a country or town, him control any session, north, south, east or west. Him not lose no, him not lose no contest. Why? Me said that this is a session I got dread. Why? Me said this session I got red. Cause Noble Works a champion sound. Anyway in play, why? Don't you know? Whether night or day. Why? Said it I got dread. Why? Noble Works a fire red. And why do some tin pan want come test this champion sound? When they don't, I him a run session. Say the rest of them a circus clown. Them only can play top 10 and some 45. While Noble Works playing, DUBPLATE is staying alive. Why? Me say it a go dread. Why? Sound boy, hold up your head. Why? In a this session, Noble Works is the only champion. I miss it. Why do some sound boy want come test this champion sound? Yeah.